In this video, I will show you how you can fix the incoming call busy problem on any iPhone. First of all, just open the control center, and in the control center, just check if airplane mode is enabled or not. If it is enabled, just turn it off. After you do that, then in the control center, just tap on the focus mode and check if any focus mode has been enabled or not. If any of them is enabled, just tap on it and turn it off. And after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now under the phone settings, just look for the option of call forwarding and call waiting. Now since I do not have a SIM card in my iPhone, I will not be able to find the option over here. But if you have an eSIM or a physical SIM card in your iPhone, you will find the option of Wi-Fi calling and call forwarding. Just disable both of these options. After you disable both of these options, then just scroll down and you will find the option of screen unknown callers. Now instead of silence or ask reason for calling, just select never. Now after you disable screen unknown callers, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. And from here, just select reset network settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on reset network settings. Now by resetting the network settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPhone. Then finally, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once you do that, you will fix the incoming call busy problem on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.